Asana practice is not about how you look, but how you feel. So I've been hating on this part of yoga in my previous videos just because I've wanted to make the point that yoga is much more than the postures. Truthfully, I love me some asana, so now that we have the foundation of the yamas and the niyamas, we can practice yoga like the ancient sages intended us to. This video is intended to teach any new or maybe seasoned yogis about the third limb of yoga as Patanjali intended for us to practice it. Known as asana in Sanskrit, the third limb of yoga is what most Westerners and really the modern world associate with the word yoga. I'm a yoga teacher whose life has been vastly altered by the practice of yoga, which is why I'm so passionate about sharing its teachings off the mat on this platform. This is my fourth video of my Yoga Philosophy for Beginners series, so if you want to learn more, be sure to check out the book I have posted in the description of this video, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the rest of the 8 limbs of yoga. So in my yoga classes, I oftentimes remind my students that they aren't here to create shapes for other people to look at. Rather, they're here to have an internal experience. This is because asana wasn't really meant to be a workout as much as it was meant to prepare the mind for deep meditation. The literal translation of the word asana means seat, because the original intention of asana practice was to help yogis be able to sit comfortably for long periods of time while meditating. Obviously, the physical practice of yoga has evolved into much more than just the comfy seated poses. However, the intention is still the same. We use asana practice as a physical means of bringing ourselves into the present moment and quieting the mind. Whether you're a super advanced asana practitioner or a super chill meditator, either way, you're practicing yoga. However, I do think it's incredibly important to remember to practice asana through the lenses of the yamas and the niyamas. I don't know which side my video links pop up, but here's the old videos if you don't know what the yamas or the niyamas are. There is a certain fetishized part of yoga where the media tends to obsess over extreme asana and really contortion. While pushing our limits and challenging ourselves can be fun and keeps our practice fresh, it can be easy to forget that this is just not what yoga is really about at its core. And you could hurt yourself. So whenever you catch yourself feeling bad that you can't do this or that pose, first, remind yourself that it's a practice. You're not doing yoga, you're practicing. And secondly, it's not about the pose. It's about unity of mind and body and reaching self-actualization. So that is my spiel on asana, the third limb of yoga. As always, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. And of course, if you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave them in the comments section of this video. And that's about it. Namaste, my friends.